this has just arrived in the mail, and I'm really excited to review this because I ordered this about a little less than a week ago, and I'm just really excited. This is the Tornado V4, as everyone can see. X-Men, I've only ever felt the Tornado V3 at a competition when someone had it, and then this is the Pioneer Edition. So it's got all this stuff. I'd say let's just get straight into it. As most fancy cubes do, they have a fancy card. I can't read Chinese. Whatever. Let's look at the accessories first, I guess. See what they got in here. Jesus, a bunch of stuff. Tutorial, as usual. Another tutorial. Another tutorial. Another tutorial. Oh, this one's for adjustments. Hope you can read Chinese. And let's go to the back. Increasing spring tension. Okay. Out, and then a cleaning cloth. Cool. X-Men bag. This material is like fake leather, kind of. It's a nice bag though, very high quality. Flathead mini screwdriver, right for adjusting, and clear cap that had a hair stuck to it. A UV coated hair. Okay. But not here for any of this. Not here for the accessories. Shouldn't do that with something that's expensive. Okay, this box feels almost like the same as the bag. Is it like the scan boxes? Or, oh, okay, you just pull it. Oh, because it's got, yeah, okay. Here it is. The X-Men Tornado V4 Pioneer Edition. Out of the box, I'm noticing very quick, but it's not quick in a way that feels uncontrollable. Like, this feels fast too, not a fault. It feels manageably fast. Like, I can do stuff on this that the speed isn't making it more difficult to do. In fact, it might be making it easier. And the magnet strength is pretty good. That was your fourth one flick. That's bad. V4. Okay. Yeah, this thing's fast. And of course, UV coating is always nice. Just check the corner cutting. Jesus. I can corner cut from just about everywhere. Reverse corner cutting. Pretty good. And yeah. Noticing the core magnet pull is definitely noticeable. Like, okay, it's not all that visually strong, but it's definitely there. Like, I can definitely feel it. Might have to tighten this thing up a bit. What are the magnet settings on? No idea. Okay, just the corners are adjustable. I think these aren't. What are the corner magnets on? They seem to be on the medium setting. Quite like it. Like quite a bit. Jesus. Flathead meant to help you get the center caps off. How do you get this off? Okay, so that entire thing is the cap. That is really big, actually. Oh, it's got the handle. It's got the handle like its predecessor. Currently, I believe it's on 3.5. Seems to be fairly medium settings. See. How can I tell? Okay, where's dashes? Okay, it's on 3.3. Very exactly medium. It is exactly on medium. And I don't think I want to mess with it right now. It seems really good. Noticing some factory lubing. That's good. This piece design's kind of cool. Oh, it's kind of like the worm. Yeah, because the worm has very similar edge pieces. Wow, they're almost identical. Yeah. Don't tell me X-Men is owned by Moyu 2. God. I wouldn't be surprised, honestly. The core magnets. It's not a. Okay. It's not like the Super Whaling where it has a ton of magnets, which honestly I think is a good thing. It doesn't need a ton of magnets. And these aren't even super close either, which, again, is probably a good thing. Yeah. These center caps also have a really neat flared out design. Looks really cool, honestly. Definitely. Very good, very fast. Do like that it already has factory lubing as well. I mean, this is premium cube, so it's not too shocking. Just wasn't quite expecting it. I want to tighten it up a little bit later. Seems a little wacky. This is gonna be jank. This is gonna be a jank solve, I already know it. .9. It was definitely jank. Very jank, but good enough. Well, this thing is really fast. Is this how people felt when the GAN 13 was released, GAN 12 and stuff. This is how people felt. This is how people feel about GAN. Probably. Yeah, I'll definitely need to tighten it up some. It is really quick. Especially since my turning style is more on the aggressive side, where I don't like the cube doing everything for me. So I'll have to tighten up a little bit later. Who knows, I'll do another solve. Maybe the quickness can be advantageous. That yellow cross looks good, but it also looks deceiving. But I got... I could do white cross, honestly. If I remembered what I was doing. $19.9 again. Yeah, I might want to tighten it up a bit. Give me a second. Okay, I just put everything on all 4 fours, but I want to take note for a second that to get the blue center cap off, I actually had to use the screwdriver. I know I made a joke about it earlier, but I actually had to. These center caps go so deep onto here that I had to. And honestly, so far, turning this feels maybe better. Oh jeez. Wow, the jump from 3 to 4 is actually really bad for the corner cutting. You know what, maybe it does good in solves. If it doesn't, then I'll look at the instructions more and turn one thing down to 3. Try and get some good settings on this. I do this a lot in solves, and I don't know if it's a good thing to do, but I do what I did there, and I make the cross kind of backwards and then do a D2 to get it right. 21. Yeah, I'll definitely have to go back in and turn one thing down to 3. Otherwise, this is honestly a really good cube. The box is pretty fast. I saw some reviews saying it's kind of tight out of the box. If this is tight out of the box, what do you consider loose? Besides that, this is honestly worth the money I paid for this. I really like these colors, especially this green. This is such a nice green. Like, ugly green, good green. I do really like the dark greens with UV coating on them. They just look so nice. All these colors are actually really nice. And the amount of customability that this has, or customizability, Jesus, that this has is honestly really good. And for X-Men, I would expect nothing less, considering they made the V3, which was like one of the most popular cubes of what, last year or some. And honestly, I expect this to become very similar to its predecessor, because this is really, really good. So I'm a happy customer. This is a good cube, and as always, these products are from speedcubeshop.com. Not sponsored. Wish I was. And maybe if you're seeing this video, then that means I eventually posted, which is good. Where did this come from? But yeah, Tornado V4, really good. I like it. Bye.